Simulating real TOEFL and IELTS exam conditions. Hey learners! One of the most effective ways to prepare for the TOEFL or IELTS is to simulate the test conditions during your practice sessions. This not only gets you familiar with the format of the test, but also helps reduce anxiety on the actual test day. Today, we'll delve deep into how to achieve this. Practicing under test-like conditions trains your brain to function effectively in the actual test environment. It helps you to acclimatize to the pressure, ensures you're not caught off guard by the format or timing, enhances your confidence. For a successful simulation, 1. Choose a quiet place. Your practice area should be free from distractions. This mirrors the silent test environments of TOEFL or IELTS centers. 2. Limit your resources. Only have a pencil, eraser, and a clock or timer, just like in the exam hall. 3. Stick to timings. Each section of the test has a specific duration. Stick to these. No pausing or taking extra breaks. Utilize official TOEFL or IELTS materials. This ensures you're practicing with content that mirrors the real test in terms of difficulty and structure. Use headphones. This will mimic the actual test scenario and improve your concentration. Don't replay the audio. In the real test, you get just one chance. Record your answers. This helps in reviewing your performance. Stick to the allotted time for each answer. It's easy to go over time, but practice will make you more concise. After each practice test, score yourself or ask someone else to do so. This gives you a realistic idea of your standing. Review your mistakes. Understand where you went wrong to avoid repeating these mistakes. Remember, learners, the key to mastering the TOEFL or IELTS is consistent practice under realistic conditions. By simulating these conditions, you're preparing your mind and body for the real thing. We hope this video proves helpful in your test preparation journey. Keep practicing, and best of luck!